Hi everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to upload your website on Godaddy step by step even if you are a complete beginner in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So in step 1 you just need to find out your hosting. So first make sure you have a hosting plan with Godaddy. Then log into your Godaddy account and go to my product and check that your hosting is active and linked to your domain name. So how you can find out the hosting? You just need to click over here, and then from that place you will find out this hosting underneath this website and hosting options. So here you can find out which one is reliable for you. So you can go with the web hosting, and then you just need to see plans and pricing of them, and then find it out which one will be affordable for you, and then go with your ones. Then you just need to set up your hosting with your domain. Then next they will guide out throughout the process how you can upload your website in your hosting. But there is a couple of things, let me discuss that. Open your cPanel. So when you will get your hosting and connect it with your domain, then you will find out this option. It's called cPanel. And let's see the sample. So here you can actually manage your everything. So let's make it big. So then click to the cPanel admin to open the dashboard where you will upload your files. So here you can actually do your work. Then you just need to upload your files in cPanel. Find and click file manager. Here you can see this is the file manager here underneath the files. So you just need to click over here. This is where your website files should go. Then you just need to click upload. Select your website file from your computer, usually your index.html and other folder. Once uploaded, go back to file manager and make sure your file are in public HTML, not inside a subfolder. Then you just need to check your website. Now go to your browser and enter your domain name. If everything is uploaded correctly, your website should appear live online. So that's it. If your website is now live on Godaddy, if this quick guide helped you, please like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.